Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 527. Number 527 is a mix of the vibrations and energies of the numbers 5 and 2, as well as the effects of the number 7. Number 5 relates to doing things your own way and adds its energies of personal freedom, opportunity and expansion, life changes, making good choices, adaptability and versatility, opportunity and expansion, resourcefulness, life lessons learned through experience, motivation and idealism. Number 2 gives it the energies of balance and harmony, duality and diplomacy, devotion, duty and service, adaptability, and working together. Number 2 is also about faith and trust, as well as your soul mission and life purpose. Number 7 is connected to spiritual awakening and growth, mysticism, empathic and psychic abilities, making your dreams come true, inner wisdom, and the desire to learn, study, and grow. Angel number 527 means that you have been paying attention to your intuition and the angel's advice about the changes in your life right now. These good changes will help you move forward on your spiritual path and are in line with your soul purpose and divine life path. Angel number 527 is a sign that the changes you are making in your life are the right ones for you and will make things better in every way. Follow any intuitive ideas, thoughts, plans, or nudges you've been getting right now, because you're sure to succeed. Follow your own path and don't let other people stop you or change your mind. Accept what is, move on, and look forward to the wonderful changes that will lead to new and exciting experiences and chances. The angels want you to have faith and trust that everything will work out as it should. Angels send us messages and warnings in many different ways. They tell us about both big and small things. We can get messages from our inner voice of wisdom at any time, but we have to be open to hearing it. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.